Good afternoon and welcome to hot Pattaya and Pattaya Classic Car Show, which is on today and tomorrow.
It's closed. It's open now. How to come now? Do you walk?
This Porsche's got a V12. Huh.
Baba used to make but the house, I could live there. It's absolutely perfect inside.
Ready to hold that one?
Now, well, this one's a bit of me. A resto mod.
Now, a lot of people say magnetics is what he said, but it's not. It's the gauge.
Even more of a bit of me. Shelby Super Snake. Nice.
А он еще будет на 150. 150. Либо это ручной замок. This from Thailand?
Yeah, in fact, it was off the shopping on Lazada. I think
Nissan motor turbo in a Mark II Escort. That's going to be quick.
I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I was going to take it off only because you said so, and I thought, you know what, bollocks. Let me see how I sit with it. It's not that bad. And the thing is, I mean, that looks awesome. Yeah. And it makes the question why the electrical.
Believe it or not, this thing started life as a Toyota MR2. Look at the body kit on that. the body kit's worth more than the car.
Yes. Here, let me help. Wow, you made it. Oh, okay. Very well. Look at the camera.
Oh, yeah.
We need to have this. Okay? Perfect. Very well.
One, and then you come here, and I will be over there to make the signature. All right, everyone. I will be standing here. I'm standing here. You can choose.
So there you have it, folks. That was the classic car show here in Pattaya. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do a job.